Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today I'm going to do a review on my GEMINI rims. I bought the long range Model Y and I really didn't like the look of the stock rims. So what I did was I had them powder coated. I also upgraded the tires to Michelin Pilots, and I added the red calipers. The tires itself, all four tires were about 1,800 mounted and balanced. The rims powder coated was about 1,200, and the red calipers I got off of Amazon for about 200 bucks. But you can see how much it pops. It looks so nice. Well, thanks for viewing. Please leave a like and subscribe.